What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Fashion Nova try on haul. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I make videos on plus size fashion. Lately I've been doing a lot of like lifestyle vlogs and the occasional mama content. We also do some travel style vlogs, so if you guys are interested in any of these videos, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I also have an Instagram page, so don't forget to follow me there. I will leave the link down in the description below. So like I said, this is a Fashion Nova try on haul and I feel like I got a pretty good mix of like casual, just day-to-day outfits and more like dressy outfits. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got because everything except for one piece worked out so well. I will have my measurements and whatnot linked in the description box below, so if you guys would like to compare sizing, but I did get everything in a 3X. I will be mentioning sizing throughout the whole video in case there is that outlier that might be a 2X, but I'm pretty sure I got everything in a 3X. I think that is all I wanted to say, so without further ado, let's get into this haul. I say this in every video and I need to be better about it, but I don't cut the tags off until after, which I really should do before, but it's just like too time consuming, so I didn't cut any of the tags off. But this is the first item that I got. It is this green slinky dress, and I have been eyeballing this dress for months. I feel like it went out of stock in my size and then came back in stock, so I had to snag this. It's just this really pretty like deep green, super stretchy slinky green dress that buttons up like all the way from neckline down. I love the length on this dress. I like the ruching in the front and the fact that it has this little tie detail. This is the most comfortable dress ever, and I feel like it would look cute for like so many different occasions. So I'm really glad I got it and that it worked out. This one I did pick up in a 3X, and like I said, it is very stretchy. The next thing I got is another dress, and this is a fun one, let me tell you. For some reason, it gives Halloween vibes, but like in a cute way. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it is this black dress here, and it is a shorter dress, but it's asymmetrical. It's a little bit longer on one side. The sleeves are like super flowy and like flouncy. Also like kind of an asymmetrical cut on the sleeves, and then it does have holes here. I forget what that's called when it's open on the shoulders, which I typically don't love, but I just think it is so freaking adorable. And then the back of the dress, just this panel here from like waist up, is like a see-through mesh, which does make it a little bit tricky, I feel like, when trying to figure out what bra to wear. But I feel like even just like taping your boobs would be, this would be a perfect situation for that. Also, it is a cowl neckline dress. I just overall think this is so cute and I cannot wait to wear it. I got this one in a 3X and it is made of a stretchy material. Next up is another dress, and this one is a bodycon dress, and it is just this brown, tan, and black like striping almost. Like, I don't even know what to call that. It almost looks like static. It does have a tie here like under the boobs, and it is a pretty deep neckline, so you will definitely have cleavage showing. I did say I believe that it is a bodycon style, so it's definitely like form-fitting. It is a longer dress made of a stretchy material, but still kind of like sucks you in. I don't know, it's just really nice. I like this one a lot. I picked this one up also in a 3X, and I just love it. It's a fun one. Next up is a top, and this is more of a like cropped top, I would say. It is a bit short, but I love the neckline on this. It kind of gives like more of a square neckline. The sleeves are kind of more flowy, and then it's a little bit more form-fitting around the waist. It does have like that elastic around the waist. This shirt is so cute. It would be so cute with a variety of different bottoms. I just, even like with boyfriend jeans or like mom jeans for like a more casual look, I think would be really cute. I picked this one up in a 3X and I thought the fit was great. Okay, we're going to move on to something that only half worked out. Half of this did not work out, the other half did. So we'll start with the half that did. This is obviously a two-piece set. This is the top. It's just this long sleeve button up, this really pretty color, and this is the type of material it is. I have a short sleeve button up in like a lime green color in the same material, and I really like it. It's very like cooling, I would say. But I thought the top portion was so cute and fit really well. That is also in a 3X, by the way. And then it came with matching pants. Now these, I have a very large bottom half, and these were definitely too tight. So it was really hugging in like the stomach area and the upper thighs. But if you are smaller than me, this set would be so fire. I just love everything about it. Like, picture this set for fall. Oh my gosh, like so cute. You could even pair these pants with like a white tighter like tank, like a cropped tank, or just like a normal tank, and then tuck the tank into the pants and then wear that top open. I love, but they're just a little bit too snug on me. I'm still gonna save this, I feel like, for when I drop some LBs, because it is that cute. I think I already said I got it in a 3X, and it is made of a like slightly stretchy material. It's not like crazy stretchy, but it definitely has some stretch. I got a couple oversized tees, and I actually did not even know there was a print on the back. But the first one is this Pink Floyd top, and it has this cutout here at the chest, like a little triangle cutout. I love that detail so much. And I didn't notice, but it also has a design on the back, which I think is super cool. Got this in a 3X. I really like it. I actually really liked it with a pair of pants I'll show you guys in a minute. But this is the first oversized tee that I got. The second oversized tee I got is also in a 3X. And that material was a little bit more like thin and breathable. This one's a little bit more thick, like your typical like men's t-shirt. My boy Will. I just love him. He just kills me. I just love him. It says, if you ain't first, you're last. Just really look at him. I just thought this was honestly kind of funny, just something to throw on and wear with like yoga pants or even just around the house, but love it. All right, next up is the only item that didn't quite work out for me. It didn't fit. It is meant to be form-fitting, so I think that just like did not play in my favor. But I will pop a picture up of the model wearing it on the website if I can find the picture, so you guys can see what it looks like. But it's just a black bodycon. I would say it's like midi length. Yeah, midi length ruched black dress. It's so pretty. I wish it fit, but it does not. Let me see. I just want to make sure I got it in a 3X. Yes, I got it in a 3X. And this is another one I think I might save to wear when I lose a little bit more weight. So I love it. Let me see if it is stretchy. It is very stretchy, but even with the stretch, it was just not stretchy enough. So super cute, as you guys can see on the model. Love it, and I will definitely be holding on to this one. All right, let's take a moment to talk about some pants. I know I've mentioned it before in the past, but I typically don't get pants. I don't get pants very often from very many places. There's like a few places I trust, I know, I love, and I kind of just stick with that. I'm boring from waist down. I always wear like black skinny jeans or like just regular skinny jeans. I never branch out. I have mentioned that a couple times. But Fashion Nova, I seem to have a lot of luck with Fashion Nova. The only reason I hesitate now is because I have not lost really any of the baby weight since having Luca, which is fine. It's just I am at my all-time heaviest ever. So I wasn't betting on any of these pants fitting, but both of them did, and both of them look so good in my opinion. So first pair I got in a 3X, and they are green cargo pants. They're like straight-legged cargo pants that are stretchy. They fit my body so nicely. I just cannot. Like, I'm so excited. I've never had a pair of cargo pants before in my life. And I'm excited to wear these. And I actually think they looked really good with that Pink Floyd shirt. I don't know, something about the beige with the green just sat right with me. So I'm excited to wear these. I also feel like it's slightly hard to get a good view of pants. Like, me wearing pants. The room I'm filming in is actually really dark. I have a ring light behind you. So I feel like it's hard to get like good footage of pants and like how it actually looks. I feel like the angles that I get aren't really doing them any justice, but just trust me that they are so cute. Okay, the next pair of pants I got are more like fancy, like trouser type pants. Like I would call these interview pants or work pants. They are black and white pinstripe, straight leg or wide leg maybe I would say. Very, very stretchy, and I love that. So the front looks like just your typical like trouser, and then the back is just a panel of elastic. So it really holds in. These are not going to be falling down at all. They do have pockets. I got these in a 3X. I thought they fit perfectly, and I feel like these are definitely going to be worn a lot to work for when I have meetings and stuff with parents. So these are just a win. I also got my absolute favorite pair of like flowy trouser pants from Fashion Nova maybe a few hauls ago. I have worn those to my students' graduation. I have worn those out like for a night out. They're so versatile. So versatile, absolutely love. So now I get to add more to my trouser collection. Okay, next I got this really pretty black top, and in the try on I just wore a bra under it just for lack of wanting to go put a bralette on, but I feel like a little black bralette under this would be super cute and would cover up that situation. But it just ties in the front. The part where where your boobs are covered, so it's opaque, and then the rest is kind of like a see-through material, which is why I said I think a bralette would probably do you good. Got this in a 3X. The material is not stretchy, but in a way it is kind of adjustable because of that tie in the front. This one is super pretty, and I'm excited to wear this one. Okay, this next dress is, when I saw it on the website, I knew, like, I didn't know where I was going to wear it to, and I knew the bra situation was going to be a little tough, but I had to have this dress anyway because it is one of the prettiest dresses I have ever seen in my whole life. It's just like simple, but like intricate at the same time. I'm gonna pop a picture up of the model wearing it so you guys can see it in all of its glory. Okay, so I wore a bra with this when I tried it on because I didn't want my boobs spilling out everywhere. And I feel like you could see the bra everywhere. You could see it here in the front, you could see it in the back. So I think it would have to be a tape your boobs kind of a situation, or if you're lucky enough, just free ball it, no bra at all. But look at this dress. It is black velvet and lace. It has these thick tank top straps. The back actually has, I'm hoping you can see this, the back actually has like a pretty low opening, and then this really pretty velvet and lace strap that like buttons right here. It is so pretty, and it is like a maxi dress. I just don't know what I would do about the bra situation. I might try tape just to see if it would work. I also feel like just like under here, under the bra line, it was slightly too tight for me. So the lace that's underneath, like right here, kind of got lost a little bit. It kind of like went up under, if that makes sense. I don't know. So this also might be a dress that I could wear once I lose a little bit more weight, but it felt really comfortable. It didn't like feel super, super tight, which I appreciate, but it's just so pretty, you guys. It is such a need. It is stretchy, and I picked it up in a 3X. Okay, we just have a couple more items. So this next one is very versatile. I feel like you could throw it on over a black bralette as well, or even a bathing suit. It's just this like see-through mesh, really oversized top. Like this one is pretty long actually. It's super pretty. In the try-on portion, I just had my normal bra on, so excuse that. But I mean, obviously I would not wear it like that. But you could even do like a black cami underneath, or if you want to show a little more skin, like I said, a bralette. Very pretty, got it in the 3X. And then the last top is a bodysuit. I feel like it's not a haul of mine without a bodysuit. I'm a bodysuit kind of gal. I just love them. So this is the bodysuit. It is like a button-up bodysuit that is see-through, like fully see-through, and has these like embellishments, like these like, is it floral? I don't think it's floral. I don't even know what it is, but it's so pretty on. For the try on, I just had them, had it on with yoga pants, but I'd probably wear them with like some boyfriend jeans or mom jeans or something. Really pretty. Got it in a 3X and I thought it fit super well. So that was everything I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave all of the links to everything down below. I don't make any money off of that. It's just for you guys for ease of shopping. If you guys have any questions about anything that I tried on, leave it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.